In the restaurant we do two different types of smoked salmon. So the first one I'm going to do is Scottish smoked salmon, and then the second one I'll do is Irish smoked salmon. Okay. So the main difference is actually between the two. I'm going to do those first. These salmon are both about the same age. So Scottish salmon tends to grow a bit quicker, slightly higher fat content, slightly richer. Irish salmon, they tend to be a bit smaller, slightly firmer in texture. And the traditional curing and smoking processes from each country are slightly different as well. So the Irish salmon, because that's leaner, you cure that a little bit more, because obviously when you're curing it affects the fats. So because it's cured more, smoked a bit less. And the Scottish one the opposite way around. Because it's fattier, richer, you cure that less but you smoke it more. Okay. So the most important thing when carving salmon, obviously, it's a great thing for Christmas. It's a really sort of show, wow thing for the table. You need to make sure you have a very, very sharp knife. So this is a salmon slicing knife. There's a good bend on it. So very, very sharp, very, very thin knife, and it has the grooves across the blade so the flesh doesn't stick to the blade. So you always start at the top of the fish where the head would be, and you make a small incision, and then you let the knife do all the work, because the knife is incredibly sharp, and just back and forth. It needs to be nice and thin so you can see the blade through the salmon, and just back and forth all the way down the length of the fish. You lift that up, and it's nice and thin all the way through, and then we dress that on the plate.